5 seconds. Comments. Addressing the gathering of the annual day celebrations of the Women's College, distinguished chief guest said, I have great pleasure in addressing this annual day function of your famous college and to say a few words on this auspicious occasion. I hope that all of you would have participated in different kinds of competitions conducted by your college, and some of you would have won in these competitions and expecting prizes which will be distributed to you. You have arranged some cultural programs which will be performed by you soon, and we who sit on the dais are eagerly waiting to witness the same. Besides your regular course of study, everybody should participate in the extracurricular activities, especially sports and games, which will enable you to improve your health conditions, because healthy citizens are the assets of the nations. Competitions conducted are not only for winning but also to gain experience and knowledge. All the participants cannot win. Participating in the extracurricular activities will improve your health condition as well as knowledge. After you leave your college, everybody will seek a job for survival. For all jobs, a minimum qualification has been prescribed. You have all acquired a minimum qualification for employment as clerk or equivalent post in state, central or public sector undertakings or private companies. Besides this, your extracurricular activities will also provide opportunities for job or self-employment. In government or private job, reservations have been provided for sportsmen who have received certificates or medals in state and national level competitions. Other extracurricular activities like singing and playing musical instruments, etc., will provide you self-employment. Everyone has got some hidden talents with them. It is the duty of the teachers to bring out the same from the students and motivate them in such a way. During your college days, you have enormous time. That time should be utilized for some useful activities without wasting them. You have to utilize each and every minute for your future career. If time permits, you can also learn job-oriented courses such as typewriting, shorthand and computer, for which there are plenty of opportunities. Since we are living in the computerized world and most of the activities are computerized, we need more knowledge to operate computers efficiently and effectively, which can be acquired by learning typewriting. After the completion of your college studies, you will not find sufficient time for all these things, but at the same time, you should concentrate more in your regular course of study. I am happy to know that more importance is given for discipline in this college. In this connection, I wish to inform you that a man's education is the education of the individual, whereas a woman's education is the education of the nation. I am not going to take much of your time, since you have many programs in connection with this function, and with these words I conclude my speech. by thanking you all for giving me this opportunity. Letter from the manager, Ravi and Company, sellers of books and stationeries, Coimbatore, to manager Ganga and Company, manufacturers of stationeries, Ooty. Dear sir, we are glad to inform you that we are the leading merchants of various stationeries and books in this area. We are supplying all kinds of stationeries to various schools and colleges and also various offices of state, central government, public sector undertakings and private companies. We came to know that you are manufacturing all kinds of stationery materials and supplying at concessional rates on bulk orders. In this connection, we would request you to kindly send us your catalog so as to enable us to place orders with you for stationery materials of various kinds. It will be very helpful if you could offer some extra discount for us. If you decide so, please let us know the same. Due to COVID-19, the schools and colleges were not functioning for a long time. Now, all the schools and colleges are functioning and hence there is demand for the stationery articles. As our regular customers are pressing us for their requirements, we request you to kindly give top priority to us. Thanking you, yours faithfully.